In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Behance, whether you prefer to use it on your mobile device or online. Setting up Behance is a straightforward process, but there are a few steps to ensure you maximize its features for your creative endeavors. Let's dive in and get started. First, if you're using an iPhone or an iPad, you'll want to head over to the App Store. There, you can download Behance, Creative Portfolios for free. This app is developed by Adobe and offers an array of features that let you browse or create projects on the go. You can follow other creatives, join mood boards, and even find freelance jobs. It's a fantastic way to connect with potential clients and showcase your creative work in a dynamic and visually engaging way. For those of you using an Android device, the process is quite similar. Navigate to Google Play and search for Behance, Creative Portfolios. This app is also available for free and boasts millions of installs with a solid 4.4-star rating. With the Android version, you can enjoy browsing and messaging capabilities, along with posting and promoting your work from anywhere. The app provides a seamless experience for staying updated with the latest trends and opportunities in the creative industry. Now, if you prefer using Behance on your computer, you can easily access it through the web. Open your browser and visit behance.net. From here, you'll want to click on Sign Up. Registration is free, and there's a free tier available if you decide to dive in deeper later on. However, if you already have an Adobe ID, you can use it to log in directly, making the process even more convenient. Once you're signed in, it's time to let your creativity shine. Start by creating your profile. This step is crucial as it forms the foundation of your online presence on Behance. Next, upload your first project. Be sure to feature your work by incorporating images, detailed descriptions, and the tools you used. This not only helps you stand out, but also attracts individuals interested in your skill set. Behance serves as a powerful global platform for showcasing creative portfolios. It acts as a bridge to connect with clients, aiding you in getting hired, selling assets, and growing your design career. The best part? You can post an unlimited number of projects for free, allowing you to expand your portfolio without constraints. Thanks to its diverse features and user-friendly interface, Behance provides an invaluable resource for creatives looking to elevate their professional presence. Whether on mobile or web, you're now well equipped to embark on your creative journey with Behance.